Hi dear folks, today's Leetcode challenge is longest string chain. It's a variation of longest increasing subsequence problem. In this problem, we are given input as an array of words where each word consists of lowercase English letters. Here, there is an array of words A, B, BA, BCA, BDA and bdca. Conditions given here are: first, word A is a predecessor of word B if and only if we can insert exactly one letter in word A in order to make it equals to word B. For example, ABC is a predecessor of ABAC because here we have inserted A here in word A to make it equals to word B. Second, we can insert exactly one letter anywhere in word A without changing the order of other characters. So that's an important point here. Example of this is CBA is not a predecessor of BCAD because in BCAD D is inserted at AND, but CBA character sequence is not equal to BCA. A successful predecessor of BCAD can be BCA. So if a word is BCA, that's word A, and we can insert D at end to make it BCAD. Next consideration is a word chain is a sequence of words where a word 1 is a predecessor of word 2. Similarly, word 2 is a predecessor of word 3 and so on. And last consideration here is a single word is a word chain with length 1. That's for the consideration part. Finally, output will be the length of the longest possible word chain formed with words chosen from given input array of words. Example, here input given is an array of words A, B, BA, BCA, BDA, bdca. Output here will be 4. Let's see how it's been formed. Here in output sequence, first word will be A, then we'll insert B and it will become BA. We could see BA is present in the array. Next we'll add D here, BA, and we'll add D and it will become BDA, and we could see BDA is also a part of input. Then we have BDA and we are inserting C in it, so bdca, and that's also a part of input array. So the output will be 4. One point to also consider is the words in input array is not necessary to be present in increasing order of length. For example, in this input array, output would be 5. All the words can be put in a word chain like this. The problem can be solved using dynamic programming and longest increasing subsequence. Time complexity of this approach will be O(n) square, where n represents length of words array, and space complexity of this approach will be O(n). Let's move to the solution part. Solution requires just 3 points to be implemented. First, sort the input array in decreasing order of length. Second, create a buffer array of size n. Last, find the longest increasing subsequence taking care of predecessor condition. This is the coding part. Here I have created a custom comparator in order to sort the array in decreasing order of words length. Then we have one base condition here. If size of words array is less than 2, we are just returning its length. Then we have created res variable whose default value is 1, which represents a single word can make a word chain with length 1. Then I have created a buffer dp array. So now we will start iterating the words array and try to find the longest increasing subsequence. So we will consider the current word at index I as a part of lis. In order to do this, we have created inner for loop starting from pointer I minus 1 to 0. And we are just checking the word at index I and word at index j has difference of just 1. So I am checking in this while loop, and then I am checking if difference is just 1, then I add 1 to dpj and I have stored it in a temp1 variable, and then I am comparing the value and storing the maximum value among temp1 and dpi in dpi variable. Also I am updating res value as well, so that will also be a maximum between res current value and dpi value. So at last I am returning res. That's it for the coding part. This solution is also accepted by Leetcode here. Thanks for watching this video, and I also request you to like this video if you are liking the effort. Thank you once again.